Bro, this LCD very bad condition. See outside sticker no have. Customer put gum here. Remove here our warranty sticker. First we put there. Second is here. Both warranty sticker he remove. It take off protector. That's why this one cannot run. Very bad condition. This LCD is already fixed. That's why this one cannot run. Cannot. उसका बिल पेंडिंग है नहीं दे सकते है तो K10 ना नहीं दे सकते इनसे मैंने बहुत सख्ती से बोला है when we send any LCD we put two stickers first here second here but customer remove both stickers see this one front side have one protector like this but customer remove the protector have dust have scratches that's why this one cannot remember also by say strictly